What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make a turkey panini. So, let's grab our gondola and get on, baby. Yeah, oh, wrong way. Yeah. You heard me right, big buddy. Turkey panini. Kind of an Italian style turkey panini. And I'll show you what I'm talking about now. Now, as you can see, I've already got most of my sandwiches made because I'm hungry and ready to go. I've been slurping. So, we've got our sandwiches made and I'm going to show you how to make them today. First thing that you got to do, I want you to go out and get some bread. Not just any bread. I want you to get that Italian bread. That good Italian, like old Tony Soprano. So, you get that Italian bread and lay it down, baby. And the next thing that you got to do is get your old that turkey. And you will put that turkey on top of there. Now me, I just got some old lunch meat turkey. You can make a whole damn turkey and slice it. You can do whatever you want to do. You can use ham, you can use pepperoni, whatever you want to do. I don't care. But what I did was use a turkey today. So, once you get the turkey down there, then you're going to go ahead and add your vegetables. Now, I went ahead and chopped up some green peppers and onions. And that's just kind of give it a good little Italian flavor. I wanted something fresh, baby, something good. So I went ahead and did that. Then I added my banana peppers. And then banana peppers, you know, it's a little sweet, a little heat. And it's going to soak down in that meat and make that sweet, sweet meat. And it's going to be good. So we are going to put the banana peppers on top. And last but not least, well, not last or least, some tomatoes. And now you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I see an old can of tomatoes there. Couldn't you have got a garden fresh tomato? Couldn't you have gone to the field of dreams? No! Because it's out of season. It's wintertime. So, canned tomato will do you just fine. But you know, you can go ahead and get your tomato if you want. Do what you want to do, you old succotash you. So, we are going to go ahead and put the tomato on top. And now I want you to add your cheese. And today, we've just went ahead and got some old mozzarella cheese. Because it's going to melt good. It's going to have a good Italian flavor. And we're going to put that on top. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, why are you putting the cheese on top of the vegetables? Why are you hiding things like one of those hoarders? Well, I'm tucking them away because when you put the cheese on top, it's going to melt. It's going to, it's going to be good. It's going to help the vegetables stick on there, and it's going to make sure nothing falls off, baby. But probably something will, because you know me. Things always happen. So, let's have another drink of this beautiful beer. Some of y'all might be saying, like, oh, what you sipping tonight? Well, if you know me at all, you know this is my favorite beer. Golden Road Mango Carp. I haven't seen this beer in months. It finally came back to town and I'm happy to have it over for dinner. So, oh, I love that stuff. So, we're going to put that over there. We've got our pan hot and we're hot to try like the old Black Stallion. So, let's go ahead and, put some of these in. Now, I'm just going to use my old hand here and kind of place them down there gently. And that just gives me a little more control over the thing. You know, got a little more control like the old Sega Saturn. So, we're going to take the bread and we're going to put that in there with the stuff on top. And then we're going to do our thing, baby. So, we'll let those cook. And you're saying to yourself, Black Hole. But you might not have done the Chewbacca burp. Golly! You're going to say to yourself, Black Hole, aren't you going to put a little butter on top of there? Maybe a little oil. Where's your panini press? You know me? And you know what I'm about to say, so say it with me. I ain't got time for this shit. So, we put these sandwiches in here. We've got our pan hot. And we're going to let them go for a little while. Not long. Kind of like a grilled cheese. But since I don't have no panini press, I got to do the pressing myself. So I want you to take your spatula and press down on that sandwich, sir, as it cooks. It's going to help flatten it out. Will help melt the cheese, make everything cook evenly, and good. So, once you get those in there and you've kind of got to melt it just a little bit, you don't want to take too long. Like I said, it's grilled cheese, flip, flop, like those shoes you used to wear in the summer. And then, take them out. And once we're done, baby, that's all there is to it. That's why I love it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's not too greasy. It's kind of got a fresh garden feel with a little meat inside. And you know, it's just in time for Valentine's Day, too. So, why wouldn't you want to show your spouse your panini? You know, you want to see my panini, baby? Oh, it's good! So, we're going to take these out, we're going to put them to the side, we're going to like kind of cut them in half with a thing, And then I'll be back and we'll have a look and we'll have a sight and we'll have a big old beautiful bite of these turkey paninis tonight. Yeah! Alright baby, the time has come. The Italian turkey panini is done. And I'm having that first bite for Big Daddy. So, let's go ahead and get us a good one. And take a big old bite, baby. Man. You gotta try it. That turkey and that crisp toast. And all those peppers in there and kind of the acidity and the flavor. It's fresh, it's good, it's filling, and it's scrumdiddlyumptious. So, I want to thank all of you, I'm going to not put this down, for watching another episode of Cooking with What I Want. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, y'all have a good one. Enjoy them Sammys, baby. And I'll see you next time. Mm-hmm.